Yeah.
I thought there was technical glitch.
Yes, there was a technical issue.
Right. So at this particular platform, we usually call all the founders, and these founders generally share their success and failure stories. So as you already told us about your success story, so can you please point us some of the mistakes in your life that people should not do in future? One or two mistakes you wanted to highlight.
Yes. So one of the mistakes I made was that, when I began, I was getting a lot of high profile clients when I started, and I did not cash in on that because I was going through some emotional problems in life. So don't let your emotions overcome your professional life. So don't let it mix. It does, of course, impact us, but we should avoid that. And try to, that time I should have taken the leap and started maybe bought a taken a place on rent and started with a small school. That's what I believe would have really helped me to grow, which I did not do. So one thing I think is be in control of your emotions, because emotional intelligence is something that is taught nowadays and is taken a lot of it's
Right.
very important right now for employee engagement also. And I think, yes, it definitely plays a very important role. Once we learn to manage our emotions, we are able to become more successful in our careers, because then we focus more on our careers rather than on the feelings that we are going through. So that is something
Right.
I would encourage everyone to follow and grab the opportunity. And also, one thing I learned was keep innovating and keep learning, because every day is different.
Right.
Who knew that we would be online this year? We never knew that our meetings would become physical. So things keep changing every day, and we have to evolve with the change. So no
Thank.
matter what we have learned, we have to keep learning new things every day. That is something which every entrepreneur should.
Yes. Okay. So everybody is now having fad of a success, success, and success. Everybody wants success. So, what is your definition of success? So, can you tell within one liner? So, what is your definition of success?
My definition of success is satisfaction.
Oh, so
So I would
satisfaction.
define success as a mixture of personal, professional life, family life, as well as a success in your career. It doesn't matter if you don't become an Ambani. It doesn't matter if you don't become the richest man in the world or the CEO of your company. All that matters is that you're happy with what you're doing. There are many people who are following their passion. There are photographers, there are people who love biking, there are people who are artists. I don't think we should put them down because just because they're not making tons of money or just because they're not famous. As long as they're enjoying what they're doing, I think that is success, and that would bring you the best satisfaction that you could ever have.
Oh, yeah. So, inner peace is very important. So, that could be your definition of success, we can say.
Yes, inner peace, and yes, inner peace. So yeah, satisfaction actually,
Got
and
it.
you can term it as inner peace also.
Okay. So, now, next question, a very interesting question. For
Mhm.
getting a success, is it really important to work 24 by 7? Or some sleep
No,
is also very required? Because people are very
yes.
mad about if you wanted to work for a 24 by 7, then only you will get a success. Is it like that?
So
Can
again,
we
like
have
I
some
said,
info?
my definition of success is very different from everybody else. And I believe that life should be a balance of everything. So there's no need to work 24/7, and you have to work smart. Nowadays, we have technology that does so much work for us, isn't
Right,
it? Why not use
right.
technology? We have people who are willing to work. So we can delegate the work, we can use technology. There's so many options that are available. Working smart is what we should do rather than working hard. And of course, if you don't have your health, you're not going to get your wealth.
Yes, that health is also very important part.
Absolutely. You can't afford to lose your health. You can afford to lose your wealth. So it
Right,
makes
right.
more sense to work smart rather than work hard.
Yeah.
That's
So we'll move for the next question. The next question is that what is your favorite quote in your life? Everybody a motivation. Everybody who wanted to get a motivation, they just search the motivational, inspirational quotes. So instead of that, we would like to hear from your side. What is your that favorite quote you follow in your life?
Yeah, so all through my life, I have been reading quotes, because I love quotes. And I have started writing quotes since 2 years. So if you go to yourquote.in, I have a lot of quotes. There are more than 200 quotes that I have written, my own quotes. And but the one quote that I have lived by, because I'm a big fan of fairy tales. Since I was a child, I used to read a lot of Enid Blyton and a lot of fairy tales. And when I watched this movie about Cinderella, there was when Cinderella's mother was dying, and Cinderella asked her mother that, "Mom, mother, what is it that you would like to tell me? What is one piece of advice that you would like to give me?" And her
Right.
mother said that, "I would like to tell you, my dear child, that in life you must have courage and be kind. Live your life by that mantra." And that was something that struck me, because I believe that to do anything you need courage. If you want to start a
Right.
business, you need to take risks. So you need to have courage. If you want to do something differently, you want to be innovative, you need courage to tread the untrodden path. You need courage. So you need courage when you have to lead. You have to be a leader. You need courage. Only then people will follow you. When you do something differently, then people will follow you. So you have to have courage, which will lead to confidence.
Right. So this is the message for our all the
And
viewers.
be kind. Yes,
Courage,
be kind
yeah,
is
courage
something which
and be
is,
kind. Kindness is very important.
kindness is very important because we have forgotten to be human. And now because of the tough time
Yes, we are facing.
in India, because I believe that etiquette and good behavior goes a long way in helping people to have a better understanding, have a better rapport, and generally create a more peaceful world. So, yeah, that's my
Okay.
mantra. And I believe and I hope everybody would live by that mantra as well.
So best of luck for your Mission Groom India campaign,
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
we will definitely help you to promote this particular video on various channel, and people will definitely contact you for this Mission Groom India if they wanted
Thank
to be
you.
connected with you.
Yes,
So
yes. Thank
it's a
you.
good and nice initiative. So now we'll come to the quotes and all. Everything is okay, but what inspire you most in your life? Is there any personality? Is there any book? Is there any situation? Is there any happenings happen which inspire you most? Is there any movie? Is there any song which inspire you
Hmm.
most? So please throw a light on that, so people will
So
follow this.
just now I watched a movie which was quite inspiring for me. The one about McDonald's. How I don't remember
The,
the name of the movie. I've forgotten that. But that was one movie, and a lot of books have inspired me. So Ken Follett is one of my favorite authors. I prefer to read fiction rather than fact. Also, I'm reading books by fellow trainers now who have written some books. These are their first books, and I'm encouraging them by reading them. A lot of learnings from them. Storytelling is something that I'm reading right now because storytelling is also one of the trending topics now. Everybody's using storytelling in business as well. So that's something which really works. I believe it works. And yeah,
all right.
uh, yeah. So, like I said, Blood Diamond was one movie which I really liked because
Oh,
Blood Diamond and Happiness by Will Smith. So the
Pursuit
Pursuit
of
of
Happiness, right?
Happiness. The Pursuit of
Pursuit of
Happiness was, yes, one very inspiring story where you right from you're absolutely down and then you reach up.
Reach up that and that McDonald movie, that is the founder is the name of the movie, I think.
Ha,
That
the founder.
McDonald,
Yes,
the
yes,
founder.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
right.
yes,
So
yes.
inspirational
So the
movies, right? Good.
strategies and yes, what they adopted was one thing which I learned from them.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So now you have traveled your path so long. So in this particular journey on this particular platform, to whom you would like to thank you? There must be
Uh,
a those who help us, because one person cannot do everything. There are people, those who are going to support, those who have support to you.
yes,
So,
yes, yes.
yes.
So, of course, I wouldn't like to name anybody, but yes, definitely my close family. That's my husband and my children. Obviously, my mother and my parents, who from childhood have always motivated me. I've always been a leader. They have always made me feel confident. So I think your childhood foundation plays a very important role. And all my friends, right from school, they are still my friends now. So they have always been motivating me that, come on, you're the best, you can do it, and those are the ones I count on. Then my other friends who I made later on in the course of my life, a lot of my clients who are still in touch with me and who have become my friends.
Right,
And they
right, right.
keep sending me these beautiful messages that, ma'am, because of you, our life has completely changed. Thank you so much for being there for us. And they keep coming to meet me as well. So I think that kind of keeps me going, that, I have made a difference. And when
Right,
you feel that you are significant, I think that's what matters the most. So
right.
every time, every few days, if I'm not feeling so good, I get a message from someone and I realize that I am so significant. And that's what helps me to again push myself to work harder.
That feeling is very important when you feel yourself significant and other people are really appreciating your efforts. That's,
Absolutely.
as you already know, that Founder Speaks, everybody likes 2020 matches, because nowadays people are not following one day matches. So we are also having videos of about 15 to 20 minutes only, so that people can enjoy that
Yes,
particular video
absolutely.
and they can check all the videos in a or at a one seat or at a one go. So I have
Hmm.
some last question to you, and that would be a rapid fire. You have to choose only one thing out of that.
All
And if you
right.
wanted to give explanation, you can give that explanation. That is not, it's an open discussion question. What do you prefer? Peace or Harvard or success? Hard work or success? Peace or hard work? What you will prefer?
Peace.
Peace you will prefer. Okay. So if you wanted to explain, you can explain. Next question. What you will prefer? Family life first or business life first?
Family life first.
Okay. Okay. So these are also lessons to our viewers.
Yeah, because
What?
I believe that if you're happy in your family, then you're going to do
Right.
your business really well. But if your family life is not that good, then your business is also not going to be good. So it
Yeah, we have
definitely
researched,
has an impact. Yes.
right. We have researched that people are not able to find the balance between family and business. So that's
Hmm.
why we are taking some kind of a question, so that successful people will also tell us what is right and what is wrong. So yes,
Yeah.
family preferences matters a lot, and you choose family as a first.
Yeah,
Then
because
money or
in a rat race we forget. So I think that it's important that once you reach home, you cut off absolutely from your business and you focus only on family. Those few hours that you get, you have to learn to divide your time.
right, money or fame?
Um,
That is a
both,
very tricky question.
both I
Both,
think.
both. Nice
Money is
answer.
very
Both.
important, and
Okay.
yes, but yeah, money. I think money is more important than fame. Fame will come and fame will go. Fame will never last forever, but money will take you places. Without money, you can't do too much. And with fame, you
Okay.
can, with money, you can buy fame also.
Fame also. Right. Okay. So last rapid fire. What do you believe? Hard work or smart work?
Smart work, anytime,
Smart
always.
work you believe.
Smart work, yes.
So in this era of pandemic, when technologies are there, so you have to focus on a smart work also. Nowadays, we cannot go out and do hard work. So smart work is very important in 2020.
Yes, yes,
So
absolutely. And I think, it's better because we are online. We don't have to travel. So we are actually getting more than, half the day to do some more work, since we are not spending around 4 or 5 hours traveling to different
places.
help us to do more smart work. So definitely this technology is helping us to work smarter.
Smart, right. Okay. So, just wanted to go for a concluding remarks now.
Yeah.
So, I would like to thank you for coming on our channel and sharing your views related with success, related with fame, related with money, related with failure stories, what not to do, what to do. So everything you have shared. So I just would like to thank you from my side, from founderspeaks.com, and from our viewers also. So definitely when this pandemic will go over, and we will definitely would like to visit your image makeovers, orchid complete makeovers, and we can have interview of 1 hour or 2 hours so that you can share more things with
Sure,
us.
definitely. Definitely. We can do
Yeah,
that.
thanks for being online. Just a message to our followers that please follow the page. Ma'am, can you please tell us about the details of your page so that people can follow?
Yeah, it's Image Makeovers by Rashida. So you can follow me. We can share the link also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. And you are also requested to follow our Founder Speaks, where this kind of founders, successful people are going to come to our channel and they are going to discuss with our success and failure stories. So stay tuned for our next founder. We will be live soon for this new year with the next founder. And now would like to thank and would like to take a leave. Thank you, madam, for coming on this channel. And I'm just ending this video. Thank you.
My pleasure, and all the best to Founders Speak for their very successful startup venture. Wishing you all the very best and a happy new year in advance to all our viewers.
Same to you, ma'am. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Bye.